This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hey guys, today we're going to answer some more questions here. How to add pages in WordPress. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing you want to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. So we'll get in there. And as you can see on your sidebar here, there's posts, media, pages. You're going to want to go to pages. Just click right there. And then you can see all your pages here. And to add one, you're going to go add new. That's going to bring up another little post manager here. And you can title it. And this is actually going to be the title that's going to show up, whether it's in the menu, and it's also going to be on as a header on the page. So just call it as test page. And write some copy here. And so we got all that. Now we're going to go ahead and publish. And this won't actually make it live. It's going to bring you into like a screen that's going to make sure everything's okay. So we'll go publish. And right here, are you ready to publish? Double check your settings. You can actually schedule these out. We're going to go immediately. And you can change the visibility, which we'll just keep public for the sake of it here, but you can have them private, you can have them password protected. And as soon as you're done, you can go ahead and publish. So we'll publish. And as you can see here, it's now live. And you can click here to view it. Click right here to view the page. And here is the page. As you can see, here's where the test page goes. It also goes up in the title right here. And here's the sample text. So that's how you add a page in WordPress. Thanks, guys.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.